Okay, your hands are sticking.
Oh, let me see if we got continuity here. Hold on a second.
Which one are we on? 3?
All right, Saturn 5, heads up. Saturn 5 on a G.
Okay, don't hit it yet. Take your hand off of it. Okay, just hold it in your hand like that. All right, Saturn 5 maiden flight on a G64 White Lightning.
5,
Heads up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Yes. Perfect.
Wow.
Open.
There you go.
Yeah. We're good.
Together.
We're good.
Woo!
Beautiful.
Wow.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Very nice.
Where'd it go?
Congratulations, Bert.
And Nathan.
Good job,
So when
guys.
y'all gonna finish painting it?
Yeah, well,
Now we are.
Now that we know it works, we're gonna do the finish work on it. That's just pure white primer.
okay.
Nice. Let's go catch it before it breaks. Isn't that awesome?
Dude, that was great.
Oh, that was a big one too. That was. What happened?
But, yeah, as soon as he
Took off so fast. I didn't get a picture of it.
Okay.
Hey, Nate, you pick it up. Don't let them pick it up.
If he needs it, it doesn't have to be at a launch.
Motor's
It's
gonna
just
be
motors I
hot.
won't mail. I'll mail anything else.
That was a great.